Hi you guys, it's your girl Victoria and I'm back with another video. So before we get into this video, don't forget to do everything that's listed on this side, which is like, subscribe, and comment. Press that bell button if you'd like to stay tuned with more of my videos, and let's get into the video. So you guys, as you can see on the screen today, I'll be doing a hair review on this hair that I received from a company called Elevate Styles. This is their Lady Lace Deep Part Neon Color Bob wig. This came in the color teal. Even though this doesn't even look like a teal, it looks like a blue to me. You'll see how I styled it and I got it like this. I'm pretty much going to tell you how I felt about it once I'm done styling it. But let's go ahead and get into the style. I won't talk through the video, so you guys can just watch, and I'll talk to you guys after I finish cutting everything. right, you guys, so this is the finished look, you guys. You guys are probably wondering, why did I decide to cut it? I cut it because I've been seeing a lot of people try these bangs. I wanted to try it. I never did it before. That's why I went on ahead and just cut on it myself. I'm sure there's an easier way for me to get the bangs. I felt like it took forever for me to try to get the bangs. But yeah, let me give you my honest opinion on this wig. I did not think that it was an inverted bob. As you can see, it goes down like this. I figured that it was gonna be like one length. So like, I'm not really a fan of the back. Like, if it was all one length, like this should be bomb. But it's kind of like cut in the top like that. The look that I'm not going for. But this came out cute. The hair itself took heat. I had my curling iron on 380 and my flat iron on high, and I feel like it took heat well. I did not use the lace tape that comes on the back of this pamphlet. I just threw the wig on and that was it. It's just holding on by the clips and stuff like that. I did a PR unboxing, so you guys check that out so that you can see all of the videos. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Tune in for more videos and see you on my next video.